In this video, we will discuss about structure of megasporangium or ovule. Ovule is a structure which is located inside ovule and attached through placenta. So let's see the structure of a typical ovule, typical angiosperm ovule. It is covered by two outer walls. These are called as integuments. Consist of two walls. These are known as integuments. Inside this integument, there is embryo sac is located. So an ovule consists of outer layers. These are called as integuments. Outer wall is known as outer integument, and the inner wall is known as inner integument. So there are the two outer wall. These are outer and inner integuments. Inside these integuments, there is nourishing tissues that is called as nucellus. And inside this nucellus, this is called as embryo sac. The structure is known as embryo sac. An ovule is attached to ovary wall through stalk that is called as placenta. And that's why the arrangement of ovule inside ovary is known as placentation. इसीलिए ovules का जो arrangement होता है उसको placentation कहा जाता है. There is a pore toward the micropylar end of ovule. This is called as micropyle. The end opposite to the micropylar end is known as chalazial end. This is called as chalazial end. And this end is known as micropylar. Now let's see the structure in detail inside this ovule. Inside this ovule, there is structure that is called as embryo sac is located. The embryo sac is 7-celled structure, 7-celled and 8 nucleated. So it has an egg shell toward the micropylar end. There is an egg shell toward the micropylar end. And on both the side of this egg, there are two cells are present. These are known as synergids. The function of these synergids is to guide pollen tube. ये pollen tube को guide करते हैं इसमें enter होने के लिए. So these are the two synergids. These are synergids. Opposite to this micropylar end, there are 3 cells are located. These cells are called as antipodal cells. So how many antipodal cells are there? 3 antipodal cells. There are 3 cells toward micropilar end. These are 1 egg cell and 2 synergids. How many cells are there toward micropilar end? 3 cells, 1 egg cell and 2 synergids. And there are 3 cells toward chalazal end, and these are antipodal cells. And there is 1 cell which is located in the center, so it is called a central cell. So in the center of embryo sac, there is 1 cell that is located, it is known as central cell. 1 cell, it is central cell. Okay, this central cell have 2 nucleus. This central cell has 2 nucleus, and these 2 nucleus are known as polar nuclei. So what is the term used for these 2 nucleus? These are known as polar nuclei. So central cell have 2 nucleus. These are polar nuclei. Overall, there are 7 cells and 8 nucleus in a embryo sac. The 7 cells are egg cell, 2 synergids, 3 antipodal cell, and 1 central cell. 8 nucleus are 1 nucleus of the egg cell, 2 nucleus in 2 synergids, 3 nucleus in 3 antipodal cell, and there are 2 nuclei in a central cell. So the central cell have 2 nucleus. Okay, don't forget this point. The central cell have 2 nuclei. These are called as polar nuclei. तो सेंट्रल सेल में 2 न्यूक्लियस होते हैं जिनको पोलर न्यूक्लियस कहा जाता है. Let us see the diagram given in the CBSE NCERT textbook. Look here. The ovule is a small structure that is attached to placenta. It is attached to the placenta, then to the ovary. And we have already discussed the arrangement of ovules inside ovary is known as placentation. These are attached through a stalk that is called as funicle. So this structure is known as funicle here. This part is known as funicle, this stalk. And this stalk is attached to placenta. There is a junction between funicle and ovule, and the junction is known as hilum. Hilum is the point where funicle attaches to ovule. So what is hilum? Hilum is the point where funicle attaches to ovule. So this structure is known as hilum. There are the 2 protective envelopes. These are called as integuments. These integuments are outer integument and inner integuments. There are the 2 integuments, outer one and inner one. There is a small opening that is called as micropyle. This is a small opening at the tip of ovule into where pollen tube enters. This is the point from where pollen tube enters into the embryo sac. ये point है जहाँ से ovule में और embryo sac में pollen tube enter होती है. There is a chalazal end, that is the basal part of ovule. Ovule का जो basal part है उसको chalazal end कहते हैं. And there is nucellus. It is diploid. It is present inside the integuments. And this is the mass of cell enclosed in integuments and has abundant food reserve. Why it has abundant food reserve? Because it provides nutrition to developing embryo sac. Okay, what is the role of nucellus? Nucellus is always diploid and it provides nutrition to developing embryo sac. Now we can talk about quality. Inside embryo sac, we have already discussed there are 8 nuclei. All the nucleus inside the embryo sac are haploid. Okay, all the nucleus inside embryo sac, whether this is the nucleus of egg cell, synergids, antipodal cell, or polar nuclei, all nucleus are haploid inside the embryo sac. Clear? And except this, The nucleus inside embryo sac, all the nucleus are diploid. So nucleus is diploid, integuments are diploid, whether outer or inner integument, all are diploid. So this nucleus is also diploid. The function of nucleus in an ovule is to provide nourishment, to provide nutrition to developing embryo. Developing embryo को ये nourishment provide करता है.